get rid of that. That could just go. Yes. Go up there. Right, that should be going. We've got our microphone. It's going. Are we on? Okay, stream quality. Excellent. Okay, let's exit that. Okay, so weekly biased update. We're opening in 23 minutes, so we'll just do this nice and quick. It's just how I'm gonna go forward and look at some of my still keen on that level. Levels. Hey, that's not spelled right. Yeah. Just see how I'm gonna go forward and trade the next couple of weeks. So yes, we'll start with yes. I already have these pre-planned trades from midday. So we do 2 updates. We do this one, and then we do GD low. Should we try and get it accurate? Accuracy. PD value high. Don't want the POC because I don't really care. Let's get previous week. Yeah, can I do this weekly? PVP. Tell you what, I'll just draw it. Thursday, Sunday, previous week value high. That's clearly going to be a nice level. There. New week value high. No, I like them dotted, mate. I like them dotted. Down here, clearly that's going to be a level. Text. 3-week value low. 3-week POC doesn't really line up with anything. 3-week POC. Okay, I can go now. Don't really care. Already know this is going to be a level. If we get down there. Boom. No, that's getting deleted actually. But that's definitely going to be a level. Also, like this level, clearly. I think we'll be too bullish to get down there. I like previous week POC as well. Nice level. Previous day value very low, clearly. It should be an A session. Should have an A session. Let's get a custom. Let's see. Session. I might stop trading with EMAs as well because I like that IBPOC a lot. Maybe we'll just put key orange solid key level there. That's going to be one. These are just scalp levels, right? Like key level here. I prefer. We might get a reaction there. But it's getting a bit excessive now. I don't know what this one is for. What is that one? Oh, that's for the previous week POC. You need to come all the way over there. You need to come over there. That key level hasn't actually properly been tapped yet. Okay, gonna be one. Clearly gonna be one. There you go. Bring it a bit. There you go. I mean, these boxes, they're very long. This one can just get, that one can basically get fucked. There you go. Which one did I pull down? This one. Make it nice and symmetrical. Kind of, anyway. There's the key levels. Some big nice. This is going to be right. So it's a range, right? With if one, then two. So we're more likely to see value at high, but happy to take longs for these levels. I think it's just indecision at the moment. No one really knows what's going to happen. It's just indecision. You could probably come up with those as well. We already have one on you. But yeah, that's what I think. I think it's just a bit of indecision going forward. You can see, but then we've had this big day where like we've cycled everything, but it's whether these sellers are still here or is this just people taking profit? Because if it's not new longs opening, we're gonna come down and test it again. Yeah, thank you, my baby. Exactly the same, to be honest. We've got some SPs there. That level above is nice. I would probably say we're going to gap up just because Bitcoin's done that. That's what I would normally say. But there's a fairer wick to the top. You can go there. Dotted. PD, very high. Accuracy. It's going to be there. U. PD eval. Let's see. I hate the way these aren't. So we have this key level. Let's have another key level. I would say all of that. I would say here. Solid. Key. IB. Obviously, it's going to be one. These are both scalp levels. You could swing it from them, but just scalp levels. Make it a bit nicer. So, ES is a lot higher than tech. So, tech is definitely slowing down. Okay, that's fucking embarrassing. So tech is clearly weaker, right? It's gonna hit these very quick. It's gonna hit these like tomorrow. Oh. Make them smaller. So that's literally on Friday. Like we're gonna do something before Friday. But it's nice keeping them nice and long. Just have to keep redrawing them if we don't visit these areas again. You out. Make you a bit bigger. And I'm still interested in all these levels, to be honest. Do you have any SPs for Friday? No. No SPs. Tomorrow. We do on you. We do an ES, which is actually a really nice level. We've got some really nice long levels, but we're not going to bounce off all of them. SP. So the best thing might actually be just to keep watching me. Just to keep watching. That's it. Not really interested. Got my alert there. Got my alert up there. Let's get an alert done there. Get my alert there. My alert there. 6 minutes. Happy with that? Not much else to report, mate. Yeah, back test of this area would be nice. Literally a back test there. You got a really nice order block here as well. You got this. I'll drop from the 7.5 to the 2.5 area. I don't want to see you. Don't want to see you. Don't want to see any of you. Let's get PDEQ, which is going to be a great level actually. PDEQ. Wait. Where's that fucking... Yep. There you go. There's the levels. Look for nice candles in those areas. Nice 1 minute structure. Little flips. And we send it. That's about it. Bias is higher because it's not great. It's not dropping. I think this is just indecision area. But yeah, bias. Look at the volatility of that. That is insane. That is like months of price action, or months, like January, December. Ooh, hold on. Trade somewhere. It's literally months of price action just there. And we've done it in 1 day, which is just insane. But yeah, that kind of tells me it's going to be very emotional buying on the open. So we've got some safe longs. That's about it. All right. I'm going to stop this and I'll write my plan. Weekly plan. Market indecision. Odds are we take the all-time high before the low. Clearly. Odds are we take the all-time high. That's a fact. Fact. Basically just been ranging. Market indecision, just a big one. Just one big balanced range. Fact. I'll stop this stream actually because you don't need to hear listen to me. But that's basically it. Like these are buy areas, these are sell areas. I'm not going to hold any of the sells, but I'll hold the buys.